My to-do list used to be the absolute bane of my existence. I currently run 4 different apps, companies, or projects, side projects, and I'm currently training for an ultramarathon. So doing all those things simultaneously was an absolute nightmare for me, and managing that was absolute chaos. I was constantly jumping between 4 different apps, from Chrome to Notion to notes on my desk to stickies on the wall. I have that calendar there, I don't know if you can see it, but all these things I was using to run my life, and it was a complete chaos. That was until I decided to merge everything into one creative workflow that helps me manage all those projects, all my side things, and help me be 10 times more organized, 10 times faster to get to work and actually do the thing that's on my list. There is literally nothing else in the world that I need to run all my different projects, and everything that I have in my life is sitting right in front of me. So the way it works is every single day, I'm gonna start out with a brand new journal. So I used to use an actual journal where I write down all my thoughts for the day, everything I need to do, all of that, and I still do that, but this kind of helps me keep everything in a more bird's eye level view. So for example, June 4th today, we're gonna type in the most important thing of the day, which is gonna be, in this case, I don't know, today's a recording video, so I'm gonna say record 3 videos, stay sane, whatever. And then in the whiteboard, we're gonna take a look at our actual to-do list. So we can toggle this little view here, and we'll see that we have a couple things that are upcoming in my week. And I'm gonna blur a couple of them because they're sensitive to some real life projects that we've got going on. But let's say, for example, we have record, I don't know, a Webflow tutorial. Then we're gonna say, take the dog out for a walk. Don't have a dog, wish I did. And then maybe make some bread, because that's one of my favorite things to do, okay? And then through the day, as we go ahead and complete our day, we get to check it off or not. We can also see our journal here in relation to the other days, as well as all of our current projects. We have a different database here for all of our different tasks, but the point is that we have everything in my life as an actual database. So right here, I have the current race that I'm training for, whether it's a triathlon, whether it's a running race, whether it's whatever. These are just things that I really like to do. So I plan it into my actual day as an item. And then when I go ahead and finish that day, I can either check it or uncheck it. And today we see that I have either yoga or cycling or swimming, or kind of like an off day, okay? So I go ahead and just check that off, and we see that it gets removed from the list. Then we also have a product that I'm creating for you guys actually. So we can see that we have a bunch of things that I need to do coming up later in June. So it's gonna be a product similar to Hello Bonsai, where you can create contracts, send it to clients, get signed, all that, but using AI to our benefit to actually move faster. So this is all the things that I need to do. I need to, I don't know, polish the web app. I need to do this functionality where you can add an image and it's gonna stay, whatever. All these little things would just eat at me if I didn't have this kind of list online somewhere. So if I have something that I think I need to do, or something I remember to do for later on, 3 weeks from now, let's say a new functionality for this product that I wanna do, then we can either go to unsorted, create a new task, or a new task here, click that, and we can say, all right, let's call this task, create a discover tab in the product, whatever, okay? We can go ahead and select the product that we wanna do, so freelance product, give it a date of, I don't know, 25th, and then we can add in whatever we need. So for example, if I'm doing a YouTube video or a template, or if I add a new income stream, we can talk about that later actually, but for now I'm just gonna go with empty, and I can say whatever, it doesn't really matter, okay? So that will now go into my freelance project, and I can see whatever, I don't know where I added it, but we can see that it's gonna be here somewhere. Okay, there it is. So then when we click done, it's gonna move into done, and we can see that it's now removed from our to-do list, which is super helpful. So for example, now that we added a new to-do, let's see, for example, designer can view the comments, whatever, I go into Framer or whatever I'm using to create my new landing page, and then I can just add it in to whatever project I'm working on. Okay, cool, done. Now we can check that off, and it's gonna go into the done section, and that's it. It's much simpler. Now I have a bird's eye view of all my projects, whether it's gallery, active, or planned. So for example, active, we can see that we've got this. Planned, I don't actually wanna show it, but yeah, we have a couple things there. We can actually see that there's some overdue work on YouTube, personal, I don't know, like a doctor's visit or something like that. Then we can see everything in that mode. Now, this might seem like overkill, but when I didn't have this, I swear I didn't get anything done. It seems crazy to say, but I had so many things floating in my mind, and this is just an example of what I use. The real thing is gonna be a lot more involved. There's gonna be a lot more layers to it. So it can be overwhelming in the beginning, and I only recommend this if you are overwhelmed with how many things you need to do. Now, there is an unexpected bonus, which is that I didn't expect to feel a lot better. I only needed to be more organized, but being able to actually schedule in my runs, bread making time, journaling time, just relax time, all of that is so beneficial because you can actually prioritize yourself and being able to actually be a human being instead of just a robot getting to work, that it's honestly just changed my mind. But anyways, I don't want to give you guys too much of a detail-oriented tutorial on this. If you guys want, I'm going to leave the link to the Thomas Frank tutorial for a super in-depth view on this, but it has honestly changed the way that I work. If you're super overwhelmed like I was, I recommend that you just try it for 1 week, see how it goes. Let me know in the comments if it actually helped you, or send me a DM because I do appreciate getting that kind of feedback. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, do all those things. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.